Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is R6. My name is Mikey, not the R6. This is R6, and welcome back to a beautiful day. I was able to leave the work early, so I had the possibility to go out with a bike. And the purpose of this ride, I will tell you in a while. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button at the bottom. I appreciate every single subscribe. Keep it up, guys. Thank you. So welcome back. Oh hell, we have pretty strong winds. It's gonna throw me all over the place. We are on the R6 right now, and we are on the highway. And actually the purpose of this ride is I'm gonna pick up some stuff for the GSXR project, which is in the garage. So if you haven't seen any of the first two episodes, just go up there. There's a pop-up banner up there in the corner. You can check out the GSXR track bike, which I currently own as my second bike, which I'm at this point preparing for first track day. So you can check out all the details about the bike. It's 2005 Suzuki GSXR K5, which represents the 2005 version. Upside down forks, all-ins in the front, all-ins in the back, quick shifter, gear indicator, steering damper, ton of stuff on it. I'm currently redoing it kind of on my own because I have clear idea how it's supposed to look like. So I'm working on that right now, and I'm going ahead to pick up some stuff for the GSXR. And I gotta be quick because I have a date with my girlfriend today. We are going to the movies finally. Anyway guys, GSXR project is coming along, and it's on a pretty good way. I already finished some parts which you can see in the videos in the previous episode. I'm pretty confident I will finish it up pretty soon, and I'm so excited about GSXR project. You know, I always wanted GSXR, but the R6 already won. Like it just won my heart, you know. And R6 is just R6. I cannot say anything more about it, you know. It's an R6. We are on the way. Pick up actually the exhaust for the track bike. I'm hoping I'm gonna fit the exhaust in my backpack, which I'm currently having on my back. Otherwise I will have to come back home and take my car and go back there, which is like our ride. So 2 hours on the bike, and then, you know, 2 hours in the car. So hopefully I'm gonna fit it into my backpack. I bought another stuff, you know, another bunch of stuff for GSXR. I'm gonna have new levers. I'm gonna have new covers for the levers. I'm gonna have new tank pad for the grips, you know, for the ties, and other bunch of stuff which is coming on the bike. Currently it's on that, you know, painting procedure, which is done by me. So don't expect any incredible design on the GSXR. It's going to be pretty simple, but sometimes less is more, isn't it, guys? If you want more updates, and if you want to find out more about the bike, about the GSXR, just go to the playlist, which is GSXR Project Bike, and you can find out anything more there. I'm gonna do some, you know, sound check with a stock exhaust. I'm gonna do some sound check with a second exhaust, which I'm coming for right now. And if you want to, you can comment down below. We can do sound check without exhaust at all, so we can do like a straight pipe, I would say, at that point. I don't think the neighbor's gonna be loving it, but you know, what you gonna do? You have to do something for your fans, don't you? Anyway, it's been a long time since I was on the bike and then talking about shit, you know, pointless shit and doing pointless shit. So today I would like to tell you that I kind of updated my gear, which is pretty good, you know. I'm happy. So you've probably seen it in the previous videos. I have these fancy looking gloves, which I had before rabbit gloves, which were black. But that is another thing, and I'm really happy about these tool or you know, I'm gonna call it tool gloves. And that is, if you take a look at them, not right now, I have to find some straight road. That is fine. If you look at them, you can see that they actually have that wrist protection. So you can see they're coming from the wrist a little bit to the forehand, which is totally great. And that is something which I was looking for, because those rabbit gloves before, they didn't have any protection from the wrist at all. And you want to be protected as much as possible. So in that case, I was looking for some racing street gloves. So these has pretty good protection of your knuckles. These have pretty good grip, so you can see there is a different material, which is sufficient, which is effective, and they actually allows me to have really good grip on the handlebars, and they have that really wanted protection for the wrist. So in case you fall, you can kind of like a leather or a sleeve can kind of like rolled up, and in that case your skin gonna be exposed. So in that case I was looking for protection like this, and of course if you take a look at it, you can see that it's matching my helmet and my bike perfectly. So this white red theme is just incredible. The lovely thing, and it's really cool, is like the thumb and the point finger, these are just white. All the others are red, which is totally cool. I really love it. It's incredible. It looks incredible. So those are my new gloves, kind of like a new, because you know I've been using them for a while now. So we have to stop by for the check on the route, because I've never been here, so it's getting kind of confusing. I already taken wrong route, so we'll see. It's a lovely day, isn't it? It's almost, or it might be over 30 degrees today, because yesterday was 30 or 31 when I was in the car with the air condition. Now I'm on the bike and it's probably 30, 31. My bike is running pretty hot, so my balls are pretty cooking. So other than gloves, the next thing which came by, or next thing which I have, is a new boot. Yes sir, I have a new boot. You can guess the brand. So what options do we have? It's like, it's open source, it's RST, it's Dainese, it's TCX, I guess, because I have TCX. Those are the options. So take a guess. We're gonna be right back.
2 hours later.
So you voted, and we'll see if you are right. I wanted really good boots, so I was looking at the options, and you know, I was looking a little bit at the open stores, but all my suit is RST. You cannot really see that, but you see that, you might see that it's RST. So all my suit is RST. In that case I was like, okay, so I have RST suit. They have pretty good options. It is a very good brand, the RST stuff. So I was like, okay, hold on. So I actually have chosen RST boots, Race Tech 3, I guess it's the name, and they're black with the red theme. They are awesome. Look, you see them? They are pretty awesome, and they are so flexible and they are comfy. Actually, I had 44 EU size, but it was kind of short. I didn't feel quite comfortable in them, so I changed them for 45, and I feel pretty confident that these two will stick and they fit pretty good. So I'm sticking to these RST boots, which are pretty sporty boots. You know, they are pretty track oriented as well as a lot of RST stuff. I gotta say that there is a big difference, because if you take a look at this picture, those are my old boots, which I use over 1 year, and they're in, you know, they're damaged good. They're just living the last weeks, and I lost small protector on the ankle, or actually, you know, on the foot in the back. So they were like, you know, they were like falling apart, which is not really great stuff for something which should protect you. So those are my old boots, and these are my new boots, and you can see the upgrade, don't you? So I'm pretty satisfied with them right now, because first of all, you know, design. They go pretty good with my outfit, which is, you know, the most important stuff. Kidding, guys. I was looking at the reviews. And at the usage on the track, and I actually got this as a suggestion from a guy who is riding on the track, who is riding Aprilia 1000. So I was like, when he says they're pretty good, I'm gonna check them out. So I checked them out, and I got pretty good deal. And you know, once it is black and red combination, I'm like, yep, that's fine, I'll take them. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the subscribes. Please, if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe, click on that bell button, click on that like button right down there at the bottom, and the big red subscribe button. Thank you very much for every view, for every like, for every comment. I appreciate it. Keep it going. I'm gonna update you about my project bike, about GSXR, and everything what's going on. The summer just started, so a lot is in front of us. Hopefully we're gonna be living it through together. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Mike is out. Bye bye.